Hello everyone, welcome once again to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to look at how to solve this issue. This site can't be reached. So before we go into the steps, if you are new on this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button so that we not miss out any upcoming video. So most of the time you are trying to access some website, and when you are trying to go on website, it bling out this message: this site can't be reached. So they are telling you whether you can check if it the website domain. Let's, for example, try to access this website of CRS carriers. So when you click on, you are trying to access the website, it tells you this site can't be reached. So DNS probe finished and X domain. So first of all, you need to click here. So collecting the result, you need to click here in order to detect the error, to find out. So first of all, let's try to detect problems. Let's try from Windows Network Diagnostics to see or look what type of problem Windows is looking for problem in the name resolution. So the Windows is detecting the problem. Let's wait shortly to see which kind of problem. So the troubleshooting has been completed. So the problem found is your DNS server might be unavailable. That is the error. Windows can't find the host name. So like you are trying to access the website and then says this is the problem. This is the issue that Windows has found. So you can click here to view detailed information, and then you are saying your DNS server might be unavailable. Contact your network administrator. There is more information here. As you can see, they are found that Windows can't find the host name. So we were trying to access crs.org using DNS. So the problem is that DNS server might be unavailable. So let's get started to see how we can solve this problem. You go to Control Panel, click on Control Panel, you go in the search button, Control Panel. Then after that, we are here. You click on Network and Internet. Click on Network and Internet here on the Control Panel Home. Here we are going to click on Change Adapter Settings, so to check out this how to solve this problem. Click on Change Adapter Settings. When you are here, you will see the kind of network that we are connected. Here we are connected to Wi-Fi. We choose Wi-Fi. We right click Wi-Fi. We go to properties. When you click on properties, there's things here that properties showing. Here we are interested in internet protocol. So before you choose, there is two types of internet protocols. So here we choose internet protocol version 4. There is another one here down, internet protocol version 6. For us, we click on internet protocol version. We double click, we click on it. So now we are going to set a DNS server. As you know, the issue was that the DNS server might be unavailable. So here here is right, obtain DNS server address automatically. But now we are going to set it. now here you can see it is obtained DNS server address automatically, but now we are going to set it. Click on use the following DNS server addresses. So we set the preferred DNS server. We set let's try this one, 8 8 8 and then 8. So we can set also the alternative DNS server, 8 8 4 and 4. So that's what I tried. You can try it to see whether it's working. So we click on OK. After that, click OK. When you click OK, then now you go back where the site showing can be. We click on reload. Let's reload to see now whether it's working after setting the DNS server. Now you can see now it's working. You guys, you can see now it's working. Now the problem has been fixed. The issue has been resolved. Guys, this is how you can check yours to see whether it's working. You can go back even here where they said try again. We can try now. Now try again because we have set the DNS server. You can see now it's working. Guys, this is how you can try to fix this issue. This site can't be reached. Guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If it helped you out, kindly share with your network, with your friends, your colleagues who have these issues.